All right, let's talk about what's really hiding inside your sunscreen.
Let's kick things off with a number, and trust me, it's a big one. This is how much one common sunscreen ingredient blows past the FDA's safety line in your blood.
So the real question is this stuff hiding in your bathroom cabinet right now?
Okay, so this FDA threshold, it's not a danger sign. Think of it as a, hey, we need to look closer sign.
Some pretty big studies found a lot of old school filters just leap right over that line.
Yeah, studies found oxybenzone, a super common one, at 516 times that safety limit.
Whoa, and it wasn't a one-off? Look at this list. Homosalate, octocrylene, a whole bunch of them.
So how did this happen? Well, these filters got a pass ages ago, based on an old, outdated idea.
The idea was, hey, it's a cream, it stays on top. But now we know that's just not true.
But the story doesn't stop with our bodies. What about the impact on our oceans?
You see reef safe everywhere. Guess what? That term isn't actually regulated by anyone.
And in fact, a bunch of those legacy filters have been shown to cause serious damage, like coral bleaching.
It's gotten so bad that places like Hawaii have actually banned ingredients like oxybenzone to protect their reefs.
So you're starting to see the pattern, right? What's a concern for us often ends up being a concern for the planet.
But okay, it's not all bad news. There's a better way, a whole new generation of filters.
Let's do a quick side-by-side. An old-school filter versus a new one called bemetrizanol.
The secret's in the size. Its molecules are way bigger, so they can't get through your skin so easily. And it's not just that one. There are other great options, like non-nano zinc, that are way better for the environment.
Okay, so what can you actually do with all this information? It's actually pretty simple. Just 2 steps to make a smarter, safer choice.
That leaves one last question for you. Knowing what you know now, isn't it worth checking your label?